Welcome to GearUpWindows.com. The Settings app was introduced on Windows 8, and now it has improved a lot and is available in Windows 11, too. This GearUpWindows article will guide you with different ways to access the Settings app in Windows 11. There are several ways available to access the Settings app on Windows 11. These are the following. Using keyboard shortcut. From Start menu. Through Windows Search. Via Quick Settings. Using Run command box. Through Windows Terminal, PowerShell, or Command Prompt. Using Desktop context menu. Via File Explorer. Through Taskbar. Using keyboard shortcut. Press Windows plus I keys on your keyboard simultaneously to open the Settings app. Alternatively, press Windows plus X keys simultaneously from your keyboard to open the Quick Links menu and select Settings. From Start menu. Click on the Start button on the taskbar, or press the Windows key from the keyboard. Now, click on the Settings gear icon. Through Windows Search. Click on the Search button present on the taskbar, or press Windows plus S keys simultaneously to open the Windows Search panel. Type Settings in the search box. Click on Settings in the search result to open it. Quick Settings. To launch the Settings app from the Quick Settings pane, press Windows plus A keys from the keyboard or click on the Quick Settings area in the taskbar. In the Quick Settings pane, click on the Settings gear icon. From Run command box. Press Windows plus R keys simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. Type MS Settings in the Run box, and hit the Enter key from the keyboard to launch the Settings app. Using Windows Terminal, PowerShell, or Command Prompt. Open PowerShell, Command Prompt, or Windows Terminal and type MS Settings. Press Enter from the keyboard to open the Settings app. Using Desktop context menu. Right-click on an empty spot and then click the Personalize option to open the Settings personalization page. Via File Explorer. Open the File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E keys simultaneously from the keyboard. In the File Explorer address bar, type MS Settings, and press the Enter key from the keyboard to open the Settings app on Windows 11. Through Taskbar. Using this method, you can quickly access the Taskbar Settings page in Windows 11. Perform a right-click on the free space on Taskbar and select the Taskbar Settings option. Thank you for watching this video.